Alright, in this video, we will look at how to create a Noli. That is the layover, the intermission, whatever we call it, the core of the Cannoli experience. Alright, let's get to it. So the big end shows you how we can get on this page. This is like a link hub. So if you use like link in bio or those like link tree, it's kind of like that. So you basically have all the links, all the nodes are listed here. You can change the theme. This is like pretty standard stuff. You can play around it, but for now we need to go to the major event, the major subject of this video. That is how to create one. It's pretty standard stuff. The kind of unconventional part of setting a destination, URL is the jelly part. Basically, this is for situations where you're like, oh my god, I want to post something, but I don't know what to post. Because if I don't post anything, I'm like not going to attach, a Noli to my link. So I just want a link to post it. For our sample Noli, we set it to this page. All right, the next one is pick a flavor. And this is one of those like tiny features, but they're gonna make your life so much easier. Instead of remembering, all those numbers and characters, A, B, C, or whatnot, you have flavors. You can remember them pretty well and very easily when you are posting links, posting notes on the internet. All right, that's okay. We pick Chad. All right, now the main part, the attention screen. What people are gonna see when they click on the link during that layover, during that intermission in your Noli. A few options. Basically, for now, there are like four. You could do like text, image, the basic stuff, a link card, so you have a link, or you just have a message. This is like really standard stuff. You have a preview, you can do native embeds, you could do YouTube, you can see the list of things platforms we're actually supporting right now. I do think that's pretty basic. If you have any problems, welcome to contact us. Okay, we'll pick a YouTube video, for example. That's a custom URL. And then we add a note, basically what you want to say. You could always update the note. All right, so we could always update note to tell people what's up, or whatever is, send a vibe or something. Send a note just to communicate it. That's up to you. And then attention window length, how many seconds before it auto redirects. The style and theme, I will say you could take a look. Just try it out. That'll be much easier for you to get it. And now we circle back to the attention screen, the two more options we kind of left out earlier. More complicated. Well, first is Spotlight. Spotlights are like special campaigns built for causes and other projects, but for now we only focus on these two. Both I kind of deeply care about, and I want to say something like pretty personal because as a computer program, we build a lot of things, and most things are actually in the back, so you don't even get to see. But anyway, you feel like you're not doing much, You're not really. It's not like building like museums. You get to see it. Oh my God, it's a museum. But for computers, it's like okay, so what? And I think spotlights are one of those. Actually, you feel, all right, this is special. This is actually doing things. I mean, it's very, very simple. It's very easy to build. To be honest, it's like 20 minutes to an hour, and a lot of research, some research, yeah. But but you could really help a kid, just get home, or you could find new homes for puppies and kitties. So I feel like without sounding pretentious or like sanctimonious and all that, I mean, that's the point of technology. why do we even have it in the first place? To make our lives better. And we could. It's super simple. All right, back to Spotlight. Both campaigns will use IP. So, for example, if someone from Connecticut clicks on the link, and we're gonna deliver posters, we're gonna deliver information from that state, or from New York, from New Jersey, anywhere like close to Connecticut, and so that's basically it's the same goes for the missing kids. The missing kids, if you are old enough, you will likely think of uh, the milk carton missing kids posters. So it's kind of like that. Instead of like milk cartons, we now have cannoli. And the last one is melody. And I assume you already know how to make melody spins, because we now here featuring, using like melody spin as the attention screen. If you don't, there's a video on that. So you could just go and check the details. I think I'm not gonna repeat myself, because that's also a lot of yapping. All right, that's it. That's just how easy it is to actually create a Noli. Now we're on this page to manage existing nodes. You could do a couple of things here. You could update the nodes. You can always update the nodes, just to say what's up, or just to whatever you want the visitors to see, and then you can always update the destination. Just don't do it too crazy. Don't do it like too much. I'll be fine. You have two modes. You have fly. You have state. Default is fly, which means after 4 or 5 seconds, the people are going to be redirected to the final destination. If you don't want that auto redirect, choose stay. That's it.